People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, PurpleButterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-people.gmail.com. And here I have my antique white sewing machine. It's a knee pedal style. See right here? That's where you would put your foot to sew. I can't use that with my brace anymore, so I need a sewing machine that has a foot pedal, which is the only reason why I'm selling this. In the meantime, somebody asked me, does it work? So I plugged it up so you can see. Yes, it works. Very well, actually. So I hope that answers your question. The pulley here, usually those are made of rubber on some of these sewing machines. This is like rubberized cloth. It's been in good working condition for over 20 years. So, yeah. But now you see it does work. And I'm going to unplug it now. So, hold on. And now that you know the product works, feel free to make a bid on it. This has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog's located at PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-people.gmail.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now.